You're standing there, explaining yourself, again. Not because you did something wrong, but because you feel like you need to. Your tone is calm, logical, respectful. You're choosing words carefully, hoping clarity will create understanding. She listens, nods, maybe even smiles. But something feels off. You're talking more. She's leaning back. And right there, in that subtle shift, something breaks. What I'm about to tell you is uncomfortable, but it will explain years of confusion in one sentence. The more you explain yourself, the less powerful you appear. You were told that communication is everything, that explaining your intentions builds trust, that emotional transparency creates connection, that if she just understands you, everything will work. But reality betrays that belief, because attraction doesn't live in words, it lives in perception. And when you explain yourself too much, you shift from grounded man to negotiator, from leader to applicant. Every man learns this the hard way. You explain why you were busy, why you chose that restaurant, why you need space, why you feel the way you feel. And slowly, respect leaks out. Not dramatically, not loudly, but chemically. Here's the biological truth, my friend. Attraction is not logical. It is hardwired. The female brain evolved to scan for certainty, emotional stability, and direction, especially under ambiguity. That's not ideology, that's survival psychology. When a man explains excessively, the brain doesn't hear clarity, it hears uncertainty. The nervous system reads it as, why does he need approval? Why does he need me to agree? And that triggers a silent downgrade. Not consciously, but neurologically. Dopamine drops. Tension disappears. Curiosity dies. Let's break the mechanism down. Explaining yourself is often a covert request for validation, and the brain is brutally honest about power dynamics. When you justify your decisions, you communicate one thing: your authority is external. The limbic system, the emotional brain, interprets that as lower value. Mystery increases dopamine. Certainty increases trust. But over-clarification kills polarity. Silence, on the other hand, signals self-trust. Calm acceptance of misunderstanding signals internal validation, and the brain responds accordingly. You'll notice it in patterns. She questions small decisions, not because they matter, but to test you. You start defending harmless preferences. Conversations turn into explanations instead of experiences. You feel drained after talking, not connected. You sense attraction fading, but can't explain why. Because it wasn't what you said, it was how much you said. I knew a guy, sharp, kind, emotionally intelligent. Every disagreement turned into a presentation. He explained his intentions, his emotions, his logic. She said she appreciated his openness. 6 months later, she said she lost the spark. He never raised his voice, never disrespected her. He just over-explained himself out of polarity. Modern culture trains men to speak endlessly, but never stand firmly. You're told decisiveness is ego. Silence is emotional unavailability. Boundaries are insecurity. Men are conditioned to perform emotional labor, while attraction quietly collapses. This isn't a conspiracy of evil intent. It's a misunderstanding of biology dressed up as morality. Another man learned the lesson late. After his relationship ended, he stopped explaining, not out of anger, but exhaustion. When asked why he chose something, he simply said, "Because I wanted to." No defense, no justification, and strangely, respect returned. Not because he spoke less, but because he needed less. When a man explains too much, two things happen. He becomes resentful, she becomes bored. Attraction doesn't end with a fight. It dies through overclarity, through emotional overexposure, through the slow destruction of polarity. And by the time you notice, it's already gone. Here's the truth no one tells you, brother. Women don't want endless explanations. They want presence. They don't crave justification. They crave grounded certainty. Understanding does not create attraction. Respect does. And respect comes from internal authority, not verbal defense. So stop explaining. Not to punish, not to manipulate, but to return to center. Decide, then stand by it. Speak clearly, then stop. Let silence do the heavy lifting. Accept being misunderstood. It's the price of self-respect. Because the moment you stop explaining yourself, you stop negotiating your value.